Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going out grocery shopping. I'll be going to Freshco, Wal Mart, and Independent here where I live in Eastern Ontario. And so I have a family of 6, myself, my husband, and 4 boys, ages 21, 19, 16, and 12. And so I'll be picking up quite a bit of food. I'll be purchasing food probably for about the next 10 days. So it will be quite a large amount. However, I do try to cut down on costs by one, always using up what I have in the fridge left over, making sure that doesn't go bad so that money's not wasted that way. Also looking for the specials and trying to create meals around the things that I pick up on special. And of course I can't always get everything on sale. Another thing is I don't buy a lot of processed food. I buy food as close as to how it is in nature or created. I don't buy like the prepackaged treats. Usually I'll make homemade treats for the boys and so save a bit of money that way. Also, the only drinks I buy are, well, we have coffee and milk and 1 jug of orange juice usually per week. We just drink water or we drink soda stream, which we enjoy a lot here. I'll show you what I get at each store and then a meal plan, hopefully for at least the next coming week, of what I'm going to make for our supper time meals. So let's get to it. So first of all, I was at Walmart and I picked up a few things there. And so at Walmart, I ended up spending $124.05. I did get a couple of bathroom items. We needed Q-tips. We needed some bar soap. It's got the Ivory. Cereal is 3 for $9. So I got 2 boxes of Life. The boys like Life a lot. And oatmeal crisp. Picked up chips, 97 cents. Picked up some macaroni and some spaghetti. Joshua is making supper tonight, and so we needed macaroni for that in the recipe he chose. Picked up dark chocolate and also Chip-Its were $1.99 each. So picked up the regular and the minis. I saw this sauerkraut I thought I would try out. I don't think it was that cheap, $7.99 maybe. Olive oil was on special and I was on my last bottle, so I bought 2 to stock up on. These Classico tomato sauces were 4 for $10, so I picked up 4, 2 spicy red pepper and 2 tomato basil. Needed soy sauce, got that. Got a pineapple, some sesame seeds we're out of, and I love toasted sesame seeds. Got some ground mustard, that's for the recipe Joshua's doing tonight. I didn't have any. Got chicken. Tomorrow I think we'll do taquitos. Tomatoes were on special, 67 cents a pound, so I picked up several of those. Got a few bananas. Got a bag of onions and a bag of carrots. And so that was for Walmart. Okay, so this is what I picked up at Independent today. I spent $99.92. Picked up some dry roasted California almonds and they were $13.99 for 907 grams. I saw these mini cheese croissants. They were on special. There's 10 of them in the pack. And it was $3.49. So I just thought it was something different to pick up for breakfast or to go with lunch or something. Picked up some peaches. These were $3 off, but even with that, it was still $6.99 for the 3-liter basket. Picked up some submarine rolls for sandwiches for lunches this week, along with some deli ham. So I paid $2.89 per 100 grams. And got a pound of it, so it came to $13.64. Picked up some ground beef because it was on special. It was $2.99 a pound, and so I just wanted to stock up a little bit when I see it on special. I also saw these pork chops, which were 30% off. So 30% off the $7.47. So I saved $2.24 off of that. The shrimp was on special. These are wild raw shrimp, and per bag there were $7.99 a bag, and it is 3/4 of a pound or 340 grams. And I also picked up green beans there just to have as a side. These were $2.99 for 500 grams. All right, this is what I got at Freshco today, and I spent a total of $168.64 there. And so I picked up a bag of potatoes. It's summertime, so I didn't get a huge bag because I find the potatoes don't last as long in the summer, so I just got a 10-pound bag, and we'll use those up for sure before they start to go bad. I got 4 containers of mushrooms. These were 99 cents each, and so that's why I picked up 4. Also a pint of blueberries. This was $3.99. The cucumbers, I believe, were 67 cents each. I picked up 4 English cucumbers. We're starting to get some in the garden, so these might be the last cucumbers that I buy for a little while. And I picked up a bunch of parsley because my parsley in the garden's not doing that great. The mangoes were $1.27 each, and I picked up 7 of those. I got some limes to have on hand for different dishes or guacamole. Few condiments. I got some just plain barbecue sauce to have on hand. Either I put it in my chicken wing sauce or for some pulled pork or something. Also, I got balsamic vinegar. I was out of it, and one of my go-to salad dressings is just olive oil and balsamic vinegar with salt and pepper and oregano, and that's it. Got some Dijon mustard. These compliments mustards were $1.99 each, so I picked up this one, sweet and spicy. We haven't tried it before, so I thought it would be interesting to try out on a sandwich or something. Got garlic, 3 garlic, orange juice, pepperoni. I got orange peppers and red bell peppers, 3 of each. These were $2.49 a pound. Got 2 cans of coconut milk. And in the dairy, I got 35% whipping cream. Also got a package of yogurt. This was only $2.49, so for 12 individual cups. I got the butter. The butter was not on special. It was like $5.69. Got just some regular cheddar. Regular cheddar cheese, $5.99. And this, our local St. Albert cheese, $10.45. Got some gold sour cream, best sour cream. Oh, the yogurt tubes were on special, so I picked up some for the kids. They also like to put them in the freezer to freeze them, so they're like yogurt puffs. In the breads, I got 3 loaves of whole wheat toast bread. I got 1 bag of everything bagels, 2 packs of English muffins, and also 1 bag of sourdough multigrain bread. I like that one for toast. Picked up some Tostitos and some salsa to go with that. Also some tortillas. I picked up 2 packages of that because I want to make taquitos this coming week. So I need the tortillas. French fries just to have on hand in the freezer. Needed some more baking soda. Needed some cocoa. Also, I just picked up a couple of these tuna snacks for the kids. whenever they want a little snack during the day. And I got some foil and also just some gum. And there should be milk here, but I think it got put away in the fridge already. I got 4 liters of milk. So the total I spent today in groceries was $392.61. And so I am hoping that this will last at least 10 days, and I'm going to hope for 2 weeks because I did still have a few things in the fridge. I also have meat in the freezer. I have my meal plan done. It's not very fancy, but it does the job. So today we're Tuesday, July 12th. And so like I had said, Joshua's making supper tonight, and he chose a hamburger macaroni casserole he found online. And so he'll be using the ground beef that I bought today, and he wanted to do green beans on the side. So I had gotten the frozen green beans. Tomorrow I want to make chicken taquitos. So I showed you I bought the chicken breasts, and also our garden broccoli is ready. And so I want to make sure I'm using that up. And so we'll have broccoli on the side of our taquitos. Thursday, I had bought that frozen shrimp. So I'm going to use that with some veggies and make a stir fry with peanut sauce and some rice. And also on the side of that, I'm going to do zucchini fritters because again, in the garden, we have lots of zucchini, and the fritters are just mixed grated zucchini with some egg and Parmesan cheese and seasoning. And they're really good with like a tzatziki sauce or any type of sauce to serve. So we'll be having that Thursday. Friday is our fun Friday. The boys asked for Italian poutine, and so that's what I'll be making then. I have that in the What's for Dinner video if you're curious. Saturday, I plan to barbecue sausages, and we'll have a tomato cucumber salad. And I think I'll do it with a nice mint dressing because I have mint in the garden, and a mint yogurt dressing is really refreshing on these hot days. And alongside that, I'll do potatoes. Sunday in the slow cooker, I plan to do some pulled pork that I'll serve on buns, I guess, or some kind of bread. And again, using up broccoli in my garden, so I'll make a broccoli salad. I have that in a video, my salad video. I can link that down below. And on Monday is our anniversary, and so I thought I'd just do hamburgers because that's fun, and we'll do potatoes and some grilled mushrooms because I got all those mushrooms on special, and we love mushrooms done on the barbecue. And I'll just serve it with a lemon, garlicky, oregano dressing. And then on Tuesday, I know I have salmon in the freezer. They're frozen salmon fillets. So I'll have that with coconut rice, which is easy to make. You make it with coconut milk, and I have that. And then again, more zucchini. I'll do a zucchini stir fry just with some onion and garlic, and that's just good to have on the side. And Wednesday, did I mention I have a lot of zucchini? So we'll be doing stuffed zucchini boats. So with the larger zucchini, I'll just make a spaghetti sauce, like with ground beef, and fill the boats with that, or well, the half zucchinis, and top it with cheese. And then I'll also do some grilled veggies and again, broccoli salad. So trying to use up what I have in my garden, and also putting to use what I bought at the store, what I had left over. And so this is a meal plan for, I think I have 9 days here. And so then after that, we'll see if I can do any more meals or if I'll go shopping. But anyway, I hope I've inspired you with something to make this summer. And so happy cooking, and thank you for watching this video. If you like kitchen videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss what's happening in Mary's Kitchen. Until then, may God bless you with his love, joy, peace, and good health. Bye. I forgot to show you the breakfast options. Normally I don't write out what I'm going to make every day, but just have a general idea. We have lots of eggs from our chickens, so we eat eggs about 3 times a week at least for breakfast. And so often it's in a breakfast sandwich, and I have English muffins or I have tortillas. Also, I make pancakes often enough, or even waffles too. I didn't put that on. Bagels and cream cheese, za'atar bread, which is with the za'atar spice, and I put it on naan bread. Also fresh fruit anytime, and toast or cereal if we need a quick breakfast one morning. And then lunch, well, leftovers or sandwiches.